There is no rhyme or reason why.
John Paul and Zarmaine, to your families and friends gathered here this morning, we wish to warmly welcome you to the Minor Basilica of the Immaculate Conception, the Manila Cathedral.
One we all long to be. And why it's so hard to sleep. The heart it becomes fire, the soul it becomes the sea. When we are known.
Welcome po sa inyo, and together with everyone here present, we wish to extend our happiness and joy as you tie the knot this day. And especially we would like to welcome Zarmaine back here in the Philippines for your wedding and for marking this day as you begin married life.
Mapa, thank you at first kasi tinanggap nyo to, and then tinanggap nyo rin si Paul. Like, na tunay na anak niya talaga. Nakita ko naman kung gaano sila ka-genuine pagdating sa pag-aalaga kayo. And alam naman din nila na hindi sila magsisisi na si Paul yung magiging kasama ko habang buhay. Well, magpasalamat ako kay Lord. Kasi hindi niya lang binigay Manila Cathedral, kundi binigay niya rin yung kung ano yung meron ako. Like, the family na complete, like, masaya, the friends and all. Na sobrang perfect moment na kung talagang nakalaan sa'yo, ibibigay niya yun without hesitation.
Feels like I'm standing in timeless dreams of light mists with pale amber rose. Feels like I'm lost in a deep cloud.
Sabi ko, ayoko na ma-in love. Ganyan. Kasi wala pa lang akong boyfriend. And then, yung nakalala ko siya, then, di ko alam na magtatagal kami. Kasi sobrang timid niya. Then, 1 year siya, after 1 year pa siya nagtanong kung pwede kami magkita. So, lahat, tinrabaho niya and all. So, feeling ko, siya talaga.
Those days of warm rains come rushing back to me. Miles of windless summer night air.
This day and the experiences that you have had with this community, with this family and together is just one plain reminder that in the presence of these people, hindi kayo iba, parte kayo ng kanilang buhay.
For you, I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. Say you love me forever, never stop, never whatever, near and far, and always and everywhere, and every. Say you love me forever, never stop, never whatever, near and far, and always and everywhere, and every.
Dear Zarmaine, ito na. This is the day that the Lord has made. Ito na ang araw na magsasama na tayo habang buhay. Unang-una, salamat sa ating Panginoon sa pagbibigay niya ng regalo sa pagpapakasal.
Sasayaw sa kulog at ulan, iikutin ang tala at buwan, habang tayo ay nalilikaw. Pakinggan ng puso, huwag nang bibitaw. Huwag nang magtago-taguan, kita naman sa
Well, maybe sa dami ng nangyari sa atin, sa hardship, simula pa lang nung naniligaw ka, nakita ko na kung gaano kakabuting tao. Napaka-patient mo, lalo na sa pagtsatsaga mo sa paninigaw sa parents ko, sa kapatid ko.
ang ihip ng hangin, dinadala ka sa akin. Parang nakaplano, pero di sigurado. Nakaumong tingin, sa'yo lang hihimbing.
Napakasaya ko ngayon, mahal. At ito na ang araw na makikita natin ang fruitful na bigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Nandito lang ako, mahal. Susuportahan kita sa hirap at ginhawa.
Sasayaw sa kulog at ulan, iikutin ang tala at buwan, habang
Zarmaine, do you take John Paul here present to be your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Maraming nagtatanong kung bakit Manila Cathedral yung pinili ko. Though gusto ko lang kahit papano ng small and intimate wedding. Well, nung araw na nakilala mo si Papa, habang pumipila tayo for the procession kay Padre Pio, sabi ko kay Lord, promise dito ako magpapakasal sa'yo.